Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will continue our chapter Some Great Indians. In the last lecture, we had learnt about Sushruta and Charaka. Today, we will start with Mahakavi Kalidas. Kalidas is regarded as India's greatest dramatist and poet. He has been a famous dramatist. उन्होंने बहुत सारे dramas लिखे संस्कृत में and many poems also he had written. He lived during the rule of Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. Chandragupta II को विक्रमादित्य भी बोला जाता था and Kalidas was during the time of Chandragupta II and Chandragupta II was the famous ruler of Gupta dynasty. He was one of the 9 gems or Navratna at the court of Chandragupta II. There were 9 famous people in the court in the darbar of Chandragupta II and Kalidasa was one of them. Some of his well-known works include Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Meghdoot, Ritu Samharam, and Kumar Sambhava. So these were famous works written by Kalidas. His works have been translated into many languages. The great works written by Kalidas, many poems and many dramas, they have been translated into many different languages. Next is Rani Lakshmibai. All of you must have heard about Rani Lakshmibai. She had been a very famous freedom fighter in the revolt of 1857. So let us read about her. Rani Lakshmibai was the queen of Jhansi. She was born in 1828 in Varanasi. She was born in Varanasi in the year 1828. She played an important role in the revolt of 1857. About the revolt of 1857, we have already read about the revolt of 1857 in the freedom struggle chapters. When the British forces attacked Jhansi, she led her troops, she led her army and fought the British bravely. When when the British army attacked Jhansi, so Rani Lakshmibai fought very bravely and she was the leader of her army. However, her army was defeated and she had to escape from the city. At that time, she had to escape because her army was defeated by the British army. Later, Rani Lakshmibai and Tantya Tope combined their forces and defeated the forces of Maharaja of Gwalior. So, Maharaja of Gwalior was defeated by the armies of Rani Lakshmibai and Tatya Tope together. Rani Lakshmibai was killed in 1858 after the revolt of 1857 while fighting the British at Gwalior. In Gwalior, she was killed by British army and she fought very bravely, as you have already read about her in the chapter Revolt of 1857. Next is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 at Zorasanko in Kolkata. So he was born in Kolkata in West Bengal in the year 1861. He is regarded as one of the greatest poets of India. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature. We have already read about Nobel Prizes and Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize for Literature. So he contributed in his work of literature and his work was so great that he got Nobel Prize for that. He started writing poems at a very young age. He was very young. He was a boy when he started writing poems. He became a famous writer who wrote poems, stories, and articles. One of his famous works is Gitanjali. Gitanjali is one of the famous works of Rabindranath Tagore. It is a collection of poems. There are many poems in Gitanjali book. He founded a school at Shantiniketan in West Bengal. He opened a school in Shantiniketan as Shantiniketan. The name of the school was Shantiniketan and it was in West Bengal. He did not believe in classroom education. When he himself was a student, he used to love the area outside of the class. That's why he loved open classes. So he did not believe in classroom education. So classes were and still are held in the open. शांति निकेतन में classes जो हैं वो they are not in rooms. They are held in the open. So Shanti Niketan has open classrooms as you can see in the picture. All the students sit under the trees and they get education in open air. He believed that education could help India progress. Rabindranath Tagore believed that education could help India progress, and the Shantiniketan school is now known as the Vishwa Bharati University. The school opened by him is now known as Vishwa Bharati University and it is in West Bengal. The national anthem of India, Jan Gan Man, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. His works have been translated into many languages. Many languages. His work is translated in many languages. It was originally written in Bangla, but now it is translated into Hindi and English and many other languages of the world. In 1941, Rabindranath Tagore died. So he was such a great poet. He was such a great writer. So that was all about Rabindranath Tagore. We will continue our chapter in the next lecture. Have a wonderful day, dear children.